What is going up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to take an early look at the new upcoming Off-White Air Max 90s in the black and white colorway. So let's go ahead and get into it. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at The Dad Life. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here, and as well as hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. Before we actually get into the sneaker itself, make sure you guys smash that like button as well if you guys like unboxings. And if this video gets 50 likes, I told you guys on my last video that I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. I wanted to give you guys a giveaway on the Crep Protect spray, but I actually went out of my way and purchased Crep Protect sneaker cleaner and as well as Jason Mark cleaner just to add into the giveaway. So if this video gets 50 likes, I will do a giveaway on all three of this. Spring is just around the corner. In my opinion, spring is a time where I like to clean my sneakers. So that's the reason why I chose this as one of my giveaways. So make sure you guys smash the like button if you guys want this giveaway to happen. 50 likes, I'm pretty sure we could do it on this video. So yeah, as well, I just got a new camera. I did get rid of my Canon 80D and got a Sony 6500, and that is currently what the camera I'm using right now. The reason why I got rid of my Canon 80D just because it was too bulky. It was really hard to vlog with a heavy camera like the Canon 80D. The reason why I picked Sony just because this films specifically 4K, and that's the reason why I chose this camera. And one downside about it, if you guys are looking to a Sony 6500, you would have to get an external screen to actually see yourself. So at the moment, I am not even seeing. I don't even know how I look like. So if you guys see a pimple on my face, just comment below and let me know. Like I said, getting into the shoe. Getting into the shoe, the Air Max 90 Off-White in the black and white colorway. So this is not the only colorway that is releasing. They are releasing with the colorway the Desert or I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I'll leave the picture on the screen. But out of the two colorways, I honestly thought this was a lot more better just because it's a black and white shoe and it could go with a lot more outfits than that other colorway. This is set to release February 7th. Both of them actually are set to release on February 7th. Worldwide selected retailers. So if you guys don't have any stores around you that is getting this specific shoe, Sneakers app is probably your only best bet to really get a good guaranteed pair. You know, because they do the random raffles. This will be retailed at $160 US. So not bad of a price for Air Max, but the resale is dumb crazy right now. For my size right now, it's $730 the last time I checked on Go and StockX. But I'm pretty sure once the release comes around and everyone has their pairs, I'm pretty sure the price will definitely go down. Getting into the shoe, in my opinion, I honestly love this colorway. I love the shoe in general. There's not much to say about the shoe. The technology on the Air Max 90 on this shoe is the same. Let me go ahead and get the other shoe out. Before I get into the shoe, I'll actually show you guys the box as well. As you can see, it's just a brown, simple Off-White box, Nike swoosh. Here's the bottom of the box, as you can see. And then inside, you guys already know the reverse Nike box, and as well as the Off-White paper. Getting into the shoe, the only thing I do not like about the shoe is that they don't give you other options with shoelaces. The only thing they give you is all white. But let me actually open the... Oh yeah, there's nothing in here. Yeah, they only give you white laces. I honestly thought they were going to give us blue and as well as orange laces, but they only gave us white and as well as the stock black that's on there already. Like I said, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that I wish they added more shoelaces because I think the orange would definitely look way better on this shoe. This is actually my second cop of the Off-White collab. I actually did own the all black Prestos, and the tongue on this shoe actually reminds me just how the tongue looks like on the Prestos. Kind of flimsy, meshy feel to it. I really dig this colorway as well just because it has hints of orange and how they add the zip tie tag baby blue. Honestly thought this was going to be like red or something, but I guess they added the blue. There's not much to say about the shoe. Let me know in the comments below whether if you guys like this colorway or the orange brown colorway, the desert colorway. It kind of reminds me of the Blazers that they actually came out last year, October, how they came out with a black and white blazer and the like Halloween orange cream colorway as well. That kind of reminds me of this and the desert colorway, but in an Air Max 90. Honestly, I didn't like the Blazers. I'm not a, you know, Blazers is just not my style. I'll have a separate video of an on feet with this shoe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not, you know, there's not much to say about the shoe. I actually just got done watching the Super Bowl. I actually fell asleep halfway through the Super Bowl just because I like had food coma and I just like ate a lot of pizza and I just felt, you know, I fell asleep halfway through it. And honestly, the halftime show was okay. You know, Travis Scott did his thing for a little bit. Maroon 5 was pretty much the main performance of the whole Super Bowl halftime show. If you guys didn't know, Travis Scott did do a debut of his Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s, and he did wear them on stage. I'll leave the picture on the screen. Let me know if in the comments below too who you guys were going for the Super Bowl. Patriots, Rams. Honestly, I didn't really care who won. The game was pretty boring in my opinion. Shout outs to everyone that is a Patriots fan and a Tom Brady fan as well. 6 rings, man, on Tom Brady's shoulders. That's amazing. And he says he's not really thinking about retirement at this point. So, hey, respect to him. The man's like, what, 40, 41, 42 years old. That said, I'm just going to get out of here. So make sure you guys smash that like button if you guys want the giveaway to happen. Let me know if you guys are going after this shoe in general. These will be releasing February 7th this week for $160. So I'm going to get out of here, guys. I hope everyone has a great day, and as well as I hope everyone has a great week. So this is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.